Hello and welcome to my new video, which is based on the convergence of Z transform. The convergence of Z transform is the Z transform of a function for the whole range series, that is supposed from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, in this way we can find out the region of convergence up to which Z transform is existed. So how can we find out? The convergence of Z transform says that for a function of whole range minus infinity to infinity of a discrete value, the value of uz, that means Z transform of un, is given by, this is the Z transform of un, is given by sigma of minus infinity to infinity of un z raised by minus n, and this is the region of convergence for uz. Okay, there are two-sided Z transform from minus infinity to positive value and from 0 to infinity. There are so many intervals which existed between these two values. So if the region is, the value is greater than, Z transform is greater than that value, then the shaded area is outside the circle. If it is less than the required value, then the shaded area is, annular region is inside. And if it lies between two values, then they will form two concurrent, or we can say two those circles which have same center and different radius. Okay, let us suppose there is a question, you have to find the Z transform and the region of convergence for this. Now because region of convergence we have to find out, so you have to apply this formula. So Z transform of un is equals to uz, which is equals to sigma n minus infinity to infinity un z raised to power minus n. Is it okay? Now if you split it into different parts, what will you get? Sigma minus infinity to less than 0 is minus 1, for which your un is 4 raised to power n z raised to power minus n, plus sigma, this is greater than or equals to 0, so 0 to infinity is for 2 raised to power n z raised to power minus n. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just put the value, but before that make the limits positive. So to make limit positive, just for first series you just put m as minus n. Okay, some variable, some arbitrary constant as minus n. So in this way it will change into, the limit is changed and it will form 4 raised to power minus n z raised to power n plus sigma 0 to infinity 2 raised to power n z raised to power minus n. Okay, now if you expand it, what will you get? This is negative power, so it comes downward. If you put m as 1, because m is varies from 1 to infinity, so substitute m as 1, it will form z by 4, m as 2, z by 4 square, m as 3, z by 4 cube, and so on. Same here, if you put 0, then it will form 1. As if you put n as 1, 2 by z square, and so on. Okay, now if you take z by 4 as common, you will get 1 by z by 4 square, and so on. So now you can see that these two are the infinite series of a GP, whose, for this GP your common ratio is z by 4, and for this is 2 by z. So what is the formula for infinite GP? A upon 1 minus r is z by 4 here, plus a upon 1 minus r is 2 by z here. So in this way, what you find out? Z by 4, and 4 comes in numerator, 4 minus z, plus z comes in numerator, z minus 2. 4 is cancelled with 4, got 4 minus z plus z by z minus 2. You take LCM, z square minus 2z, 4z minus z square. Z square is cancelled out, 2z by 4 minus z, z minus 2. In this way you've got the value of Z transform. Now the question is left with region of convergence. How can you find out? So your common ratio is z by 4 here for first series, and for this 2 by z. You have to take the modulus for it less than 1, because the limit which describes is 0, less than 0 and greater than 0, so it will form, the initial value is 1, so you have to take less than 1. So in this way z is less than 4, and in this way z is greater than 2. Alright, so your limit is formed as, so your region of convergence is between 2 and 4. So how can you find out? You have to plot a graph for it. Two concentric circles. One is of radius 2 and other one is radius 4. And this is your shaded area where you can find out the region of convergence for this graph. I hope you understand. In this way, we have completed our Z transform thoroughly. Rest of the topic we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.